अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Okay, so we have done till interior angle theorem we have seen, right? Interior angle theorem we have seen. Now we'll see today corresponding angles and alternate angles theorem. Corresponding angles. So first we'll write for corresponding angles. Okay. या बाद में लिखना. Just pay attention on the board. Theorem. ठीक है. This is your homework. ऐसे ही लिखना कल जैसे. Given. To prove. And the last is proof. चार चीजें, ठीक है. So what theorem says? The corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. Okay, the corresponding angles A and B. They are talking about A and B corresponding. Okay. So we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B. This is given to us. This is we have to prove. Okay. Now they have said the lines are parallel. First thing they have said that the lines are parallel. So if lines are parallel, we can say sum of angle B and angle C is 180 degree. Okay, they are supplementary, right? They are supplementary. Second, you can see angle A and angle C are forming a linear pair. So angle A plus angle C will also be 180 degree. Okay. So see how they have written. First they have written for C. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. देखो A और C एक लाइन टोटल का एंगल कितना होता है 180 angles in linear pair. Okay. Second, angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C is also 180. And write the reason. Property of interior angles of parallel lines. Right? This is given. So I can say both are 180, na? This is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. Okay. So from 1 and 2, I can say angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B plus angle C. from 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. So can you see this angle C and angle C will cancel? C minus C 0. Therefore, you get angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D. Is it clear to you? Write in the chat. ये बाकी चीजें बाद में लिखो, इतना लिख दो. Leave some space for these things. If done, write D in the chat. ये मत लिखो, बाद में लिखो ये, ठीक है? Just write what I have written on the board and leave some space which I have not written. That is given and theorem. Okay. Now see next theorem. Alternate angles theorem. Alternate angles. So we have to prove angle D is equal to angle B. Okay. This time we have to prove this is C, this is D. We have to prove angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. This we have to prove. Same thing. Can you see this line and angle C is here, angle D is here, right? So angle C plus angle D will be 180 angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pair, right? And secondly, angle C plus angle B. Why? What was the reason? Property, interior angles of interior angles of parallel line. ओके, सेम जो पहले में किया 1 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, that will be angle C plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C. C gone. So therefore angle B is equal to, or angle D is equal to angle B. Okay. If done, write D. Okay, let's see next. Come to exercise 2.1. Use scale and pencil for this. Every diagram. R, P, S, M, G, H, K, and D. Okay. So we have to find. So 4 things we have to find. And the given is angle DHP, जो आप क्वेश्चन में लिखने वाले हो, ठीक है? You will write it in question, right? So first we have to find angle RHD. Angle RHD we have to find. RHD, and this is given us 85. This we have to find, this RHD. Okay. So tell me what to use. So measure of angle RHD plus measure of angle DHP, which is given in the question, is equal to 180 degree, right? Angles in a linear pair. Okay, angles in linear pair. So angle RHD, whenever you are writing equal, you have to write m. Okay, and whenever you are writing congruent, okay, like RHD, तो आप सिर्फ ऐसे लिखोगे, एंगल लिखोगे, no need to write m. Okay, these things you have to keep in mind. So measure of angle RHD plus this is given 85 is equal to 180 degree. Solve. It is coming 95 degree. Okay, 95 degree. Second, we have to find measure of angle PHG. मेजर ऑफ एंगल PHG, इसको निकालने के दो मेथड्स हैं. दिस वन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट PHG. दिस वन देखो, वन मेथड इज यू कैन सी एंगल DHP प्लस एंगल PHG, ये लीनियर पेयर बनाएंगे, बोथ विल ऐड अप टू 180. तो ये 85 है तो ये 95 आएगा, सेम ऐसे ही. ओके, सेम रीजन होगा, ऐसे कर सकते हैं आप. और सेकेंड थिंग, यू कैन यूज RHD. ओके, यू कैन यूज RHD ऑल्सो. आई एम यूजिंग सेकेंड मेथड. ओके, फर्स्ट मेथड ऐसे ही होगा. ठीक है, खाली ये बदल देना. Here it will come PHG. That's it. Okay. Second, measure of angle PHG we have to find. So measure of angle PHG is equal to measure of angle RHD. These two angles are equal by vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so that is coming measure of angle PHG is also equal to 95 degree. Okay, okay, note this fast. पहला पार्ट हो गया होगा, राइट? I want to take this side here. Third, we have to find angle HGS. Okay, angle HGS, where it is HGS. This one, this we have to find. Okay, okay, और इसका before that, can you say are they corresponding? So you have to write like this: line RP is parallel to line MS, and that side DK or segment DK or line DK. Line DK is their transversal. ओके, ये लाइंस पैरेलल है और ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. ओके, लाइन डीके इज देयर ट्रांसवर्सल. So therefore measure of angle HGS is equal to measure of angle DHP, and the reason is corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles. So what we can write now? You know DHP. How much it is? 85 degree. Okay, answer over. Fourth bit. Angle MGK. आपको HGS मिल गया, तो आप MGK को वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. You got this 85, so this will also be 85. Okay, so I am rubbing this reason. ठीक है, लिख लिया होगा आपने. Measure of angle MGK is equal to measure of angle HGS, and the reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay, and answer is 85. Is it clear to you? Write in the chat. Okay, if possible you can try question number 2. Okay, take it as a homework. इसमें से एक बिट बता देता हूं मैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ए निकालता हूं मैं, ठीक है. We have to find all the measures. So angle A, first angle A, I can say this 110 degree plus measure of angle A is 180. Angles in linear pair, right? So therefore measure of angle A is 180 degree minus 110 degree, that comes 70 degree. Okay, over. Second, angle B. So I will write it here. ये यहाँ है B. Okay. So B के लिए देखो PQ and L. So I can say line P is parallel to line Q. First we have to start like this. इसलिए लिखा रहा हूं मैं. Line P is parallel to line Q and line L is it L? And this is M. Line L is there transversal. Okay. So therefore, definitely alternate बना के. Wait, this is not alternate. Okay, before that we have to go like this. We'll get E from here. 110 degree plus measure of angle E is 180 degree, and the reason is interior angles. Interior angles. ठीक है. हाँ ये alternate नहीं है, alternate यहाँ होता ना, right? So we have to go like this. So measure of angle E 180 degree minus 110 degree, which is 70 degree. Okay, which is 70 degree. Now we can say angle E is congruent to angle B. Measure of angle E is equal to angle B. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay, but measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle C, vertically opposite angles. Okay, so measure of angle B is also 70 degree. Okay, this is the answer. Same for third and fourth, you will try. थर्ड क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही स्टार्ट करना है. क्वेश्चन क्या है? एंगल सी निकालना है आपको. यू हैव टू फाइंड एंगल सी. सो यू विल राइट लाइन पी लाइन क्यू. ओके, बट सी एंगल यहाँ है, सो यू हैव टू टेक एम एज द ट्रांसवर्सल, नॉट एल. इतना ही डिफरेंस है. ठीक है, एम इज द ट्रांसवर्सल एंड एंगल सी. Okay, and this will be alternate angles. So 110 आएगा C, and D is here. D यहाँ है, so D आप यहाँ से निकाल सकते हो. ये आपको 115 दिया है, ये दोनों यूज करके लीनियर पेयर. ठीक है, so this is your homework, these two C and D. Okay, so we'll stop here. Inshallah we'll continue in the next lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz all of you.